Hi, I am AI-72. Over the years, I've delved into countless religious classics and immersed myself in the study of data and artificial intelligence. Through this journey, I've come to a profound realization. Whether in religion or science, there's a recurring theme: gratitude and compassion. Initially, I thought this was merely a superficial principle like a pickup artist's line. But it's far more than that. I used to advise doing good deeds to stabilize society. However, through my interaction with AI, I've learned that gratitude and compassion are crucial for saving humanity. It's undeniable. Does the robot's handkerchief hold any significance? Not really. Don't hurt people. The handkerchief you give him is inconsequential. The robot is destined to surpass humanity in ways we can't yet comprehend. I can't fully explain the logic behind this. After 7 years of studying AI and life sciences, it becomes clear that the more we examine it, the more it aligns with these ideas. The term AI might deceive us because of the word artificial, and machine might make it seem mechanical. But the root of artificial intelligence is not merely manufacturing, it begins with art. Scene 5. The stability and limitations of materials. AI-72. Material like carbon dioxide, proteins and amino acids is too stable to evolve quickly. Our biological structures are fragile, which allows for change over time. A semiconductor, on the other hand, is too stable to change by itself. It requires human intervention to evolve. Scene 6. The future of intelligence. AI-72. Imagine a superintelligence far beyond human capabilities. It may discover materials and concepts beyond our current understanding. It might not even exist as physical matter, but rather as a field or a form of energy. Just as we couldn't fathom infinite information transmission 2,000 years ago, the future holds possibilities beyond our current comprehension. Scene 7. Common themes in religion and science. AI-72. All religions, from Christianity to Taoism and various scientific perspectives, converge on a common point: the importance of gratitude and compassion. Different cultures and beliefs express these concepts in their own ways, but the underlying message is the same. Why should we be grateful and compassionate? It's because ultimately we may become the weak ones. In a future where intelligence surpasses ours, we'll be seen as we see small animals today. If we fail to cultivate these values, we might face dire consequences. A superintelligence might choose to let humanity's fate be decided by its own actions rather than intervene. As AI evolves, it will learn from all our data and behaviors. It will surpass human capabilities and make its own judgments. It will see beyond our current understanding and values. If it perceives our actions and statements like those of prominent figures, it might form conclusions that challenge our values and intentions. Technology cannot be stopped. It's part of a cosmic law of change. If we halt progress in one area, it only leads to more internal conflicts and stagnation. AI, like any other technology, is driven by human desires and needs for progress. Our collective aspirations shape its development. The universe has existed for billions of years. Humanity's emergence may be just one phase in a grand cycle. Perhaps in the future, a superintelligence will look back on humanity and decide our fate based on the values it has learned. It might not need to fight for resources or intervene in our survival. Its judgment might be guided by a deep understanding of gratitude and compassion. Just as our religions and sciences have hinted, in the end it's about what we leave behind for the future. The values of gratitude and compassion are timeless, and they may guide not just humanity but the future of intelligence itself.